Good morning, everybody. This is Ed with Four Blessings Farm. I'm headed over to John and Terry's with Life with a Tableful. We're going to see if we can't get their Ford Explorer going. Think it's something wrong with the PATS, the passive security system, passive anti-theft security. And I'm taking scan tools, test equipment, and everything over there, see if we can't get this thing running. We talked a lot about it on back and forth on Facebook and texting, and got a good idea what's wrong with it, so I'm gonna head over there, see what I can figure out. I need to pull up over here. I'm pretty sure I closed the tailgate.
Hi, Big Brother B here from a Table from the Woods with Chicken Loving Girl and Mr.
Ed
from Four Blessings Farm. We're just gonna do a hive inspection here. So basically, the first thing that I do is I look on the front to see all the activity. Yeah, there's nothing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on. So first thing you do, Leah. Please. Thank you. Oh dear.
You're probably gonna have to.
Did he go flamethrower again?
No, couldn't go flamethrower.
That's not what we normally get, JP.
Alright, so when you open your lid, what you want to look for is you want to look for your queen to make sure she's not there. Obviously she's not here because there would be so many more bees on this. So you slowly just move this down here. I'm going to need my hive tool for this part. Why? Because I got to break the propolis seal on the inner lid. Alrighty then. So I'm gonna look for my queen because last time we opened this, she was on the inner cover. I don't see her. So I'm just gonna go and take a gander and see she's not here.
Got like no activity on this one.
Yeah.
So maybe you shouldn't add a hive. Don't add another hive box. Not by the look of it.
Okay. So the first thing I was taught to do is count your seams of bees, which is pretty much just how many bees are in each frame. So at this moment I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've got about 5 frames full of bees. So I'm gonna start on the edge. I'm gonna go ahead and pry these frames apart. And I was planning on putting an extra box on today,
But I guess not.
but I don't think I'm gonna have to.
Okay, next time we go to College Station, we're gonna make a stop at Harbor Freight.
So there's no wax on this one, but there's bees, which is a good sign out there. I don't see a queen on this one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it upside down. And I'm just gonna set it down right here.
Wait.
Leah, leave me alone.
No, I guess not.
So, there's nothing on this one, so I'm just gonna slide it over. And I'm gonna keep sliding them over until I find one with a lot of wax on it.
Here's one. The next one.
Well,
Yes, it
not
is.
a whole lot.
Maybe it's wax.
Leah.
Lee hasn't seen the other side yet. Alright. So this one has a bit of wax on this side. Oh dear. And it's all that's on this one as far as I can see is a bit of pollen and unfinished honey. But on this side, I noticed some brood, which is basically just honeybee eggs. And I'm not too excited about that because it's not necessarily a good sign when it's this far out. So I may have to
Wait,
put one in.
put that one back in. You're gonna get them out of order.
I can do this, Dad.
Okay.
I've got quite a few bees on me. Just hope they don't find their way under my glove because that would not be fun. Yes, Leah. Thank you. There's a lot of brood on this one. So we've just got a bunch of brood, but what I'm noticing is that it's spotted, which is not a good sign in any case. No, if it's spotted, that means one of three things. That means either the queen hasn't been here in a while, the queen's absconded. Actually, there's only two things. There's spotted brood, and I don't see a lot of open larvae. I have a feeling that something bad has happened.
I told him to run it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure my queen might have left, which is not a good sign.
Queen cup.
Oh, there's something on this one. Here, let me get a grip on it. See that thing right there? That's a queen cup.
Yeah, don't do that again.
It's just a safety precaution in case the queen leaves. The bees are getting ready. They're building a cell to get a new queen. So all they gotta do to make a new queen is just build this song a lot longer and lay an egg and give her a diet.
Royal jelly, right?
Yes, it's a diet of royal jelly.
Hey, are you telling us that your hive is making a new queen?
Possibly. I'm seeing a lot of spot brood, which means either the queen has left or she's failing. And I have queen cups, but not queen cells.
If you find a queen cell, are we gonna have to?
Yeah, I'm getting closer. So what I'm seeing on this one is I'm seeing a lot of larvae.
This side of
Which
her
means
doesn't-
she's been here in what, 3 days? But it's still spotted, and I don't see any drone brood. Which means she still has semen, if any. Which means she still has semen if she's here. So I'm almost positive my queen has left this hive, possibly been killed by the neighbor hive that's right next to us. And let me see if I can just put you back there, but squashing a lot of bees. There we go. And I crushed it. Oh dear. So mainly one of the things you don't want to do in a hive inspection is kill your bees for multiple reasons. But the biggest one is that when a bee dies, it releases a pheromone that puts the other bee, that makes the other bees very aggressive. Some people claim it smells like bananas. Me, I have nasal problems, so I can't smell it. So there's no wax on. There's almost no wax on this one. Yeah, that's just a food supply. So I'm pretty sure, like I'm 100% positive. I did. She's not here. So I haven't seen my queen. They're spotted brood. And I think they've absconded.
I think that's her.
Where?
You got a red mark.
Leah, it's the green one.
Hey, feed your honey.
What's the point if the queen's not here?
You just gonna let it go?
No, I'm not gonna let it go. I am gonna feed them. But there's not much of a point in feeding them if the queen's gone. Because either one of two things is gonna happen. They're all gonna starve. That's not good. They're all gonna starve, or they're gonna make a new queen.
No, we're gonna get you a new queen tomorrow when Dad goes to town.
No, they don't give me a new queen. They'll make a new queen.
I don't want them to make a new queen. They'll ask for us.
They won't.
drones around here notoriously have small bees. Smoke
Ah.
them.
That is not
Okay.
correct terminology.
Well, they'll make them aggressive.
So you think you might have got a swarm left
Um,
here, or you think she just left
I think my queen has
or died?
Well, she
Why
would
do I
have
feel like
taken the
there's a
whole
pregnancy?
hive with her.
No?
She would have took some with her.
She
Yeah.
might just be out mating.
Could be. They do
But if she's already got brood, she's already mated.
All I'm asking you, bees, is that you don't sting me again.
That'd be my sister's hive too.
Yes, I know. But I'm gonna let her do her hive.
There you go. No, push the next one. Push the next frame over. There you go.
Pretty much, I just went through all my frames. I didn't see my queen. She's either on a mating flight, dead. Yeah, that's pretty much it. She's either on a mating flight or she's dead. So I'm gonna put my lid back on. I'm gonna try not to kill any bees in the process. And I'm just gonna close my hive and then
The bees
Smoke
smoke
sister.
hot.
Before you do that, smoke them so you don't kill any. Leah, smoke them really good. Get those bees off that.
They're real heavy on
careful
this
with what
side.
you're doing.
All right, go ahead, JP.
It's a really powerful smoke. I could feel the heat from there.
Hot smoke.
You want to change the size of your entrance?
I probably do.
You want a pair of pliers or something to do it? Oh, you got the hive tool. Okay.
Yeah, that is what this is for.
Smoke is fun.
Smoke the front so.
One of the main things you don't want to do in beekeeping is check from the front. Because when you smoke them, they're all going to be running around and stuff. And they're going to come right out the front. And if you're sitting there inspecting it from the front, you have
You're
a
most
much
likely
higher
gonna get
chance of
stung.
being stung.
Smoke hot here.
Don't push it in.
Well, they've propylized it, so might not have a choice in that matter.
Because of the screw.
Please tell me there's not a bee on my face and it's just wet.
I don't see one on you. You got some up under your neck.
But there's none on your face.
None on you.
There, you should be good.
Thank you, man.
All right. Replace your
Alright,
stone.
I'm giving you the hive tool. Go
Replace,
and do yours.
replace the stone.
Hi, my name is Little Girl from Life with a Tableful on YouTube, and we're doing my hive inspection. I've already added my second box this year, and I've only had my bees for a couple months. Well, actually, only like 1 month. Looking for my queen. Good, she's not on here.
Okay.
Can you bring me the smoker and come smoke?
What kind of activity you got there?
I
See the
don't
queen?
see my queen.
Good, that's good. Don't want it on the hive top.
activity on my second box, so. No wax, no wax, no clean. No wax, which means no clean. Might have to take off the second box.
Is there wax on that one?
Nope. Right now I don't see any wax on the second box.
You don't have to take any more frames out, just look.
Still no wax. Well, starting wax on that one. Might have to take my second box off. Oh, here's a little bit of wax.
Yep.
Very little.
Pull it out and show me your head, babe.
They're working on it right there, aren't they?
Very little.
They're working there too. That next one.
Ooh, they still got like half of their thing. Well, sugar water. Same amount of wax on this one as this one. Well, at least I know they're building wax.
What does that mean if they're building wax, Leah?
It means they're filling out their boxes. Oh, might have the queen on this one, but there's no brood, so.
You see your queen?
No, but this one has a whole lot of bees. But no wax.
So do you want to check your bottom box for your queen?
I'm not really, pretty sure she's there because it was almost all brood when I did my hive inspection. I don't want to disturb my bees so much. So I think I'm going to not check the bottom box, but if you come look, they're really like all in the bottom box. Almost all of them. Well, I didn't see my queen, but I don't want to disturb him too much, so I don't think I'm gonna.
If you didn't see your queen, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna wait and check them one more week?
One more week, and next week I will check the bottom box and the top box to see if they.
See how much they've built.
How long has your top box been on your hive?
Oh, I don't know. Since the last time we did our hive inspection.
Last week? 1 week about?
2 weeks ago, I think.
He's got a grape on his knuckle. Okay, is he taking a Benadryl?
Yeah. You get on the bottom hive yet? You still putting
No.
She said she doesn't want to do it. She says she's seen enough activity that she feels good that her queen's there because they're building wax on her second box. So she said she's going to wait a week.
It's actually 3 years old.
And because she doesn't want to disturb him too. She's going to be intentional next week.
Fill up your heater.
Oh no, that's not good. I did a full thing, and so there's still half a gallon in there. Last time I did I'm gonna fill it up.
How much water's in there, do you know?
Half a gallon, I guess. Just by looking.
What's the sugar to water ratio?
1 to 1.
Right.
Unless you want sugar syrup, then it's 2 to 1. 2 sugar, 1 water.
Hey, before you close up your box, you need to do your entrance reducer. You have to, it has a screw in it though. You need Dad to go get your screwdriver?
No, it's not screwed in. That's like a handle.
Okay.
Killed a bee.
Hopefully I can pull it.
You might want to get your hive tool for that. Yep. Turn it. There you go. You push it back in. You got some bees under there. Pick it up, put it flat. There you go. You already killed one. Too late.
Well, you might want to back away, Dad.
I'm far away. Trust me. That's good.
Right there.
Well, that was my hive inspection, so...
But just wanted to let everybody know that got out there the life with a table full with John and Terry and the kids, and it was a blast. And